So it's day 9 in Orlando today, so it's our last full day because we're going home tomorrow afternoon. Well, that's when we're flying home, so today's going to be our last full day and night. So we're going to be spending it at Magic Kingdom because obviously it's like the best Disney park, and yeah, we're going to go there. We're going to head on over. We've had a bit of a lie-in this morning, so we didn't want to be there all day because we think it's going to be really hot, and obviously watching the fireworks, it'd be such a long day. So I think we're going to go and grab something to eat, so like a breakfast / lunch, and then head on over to the park where hopefully we can meet all the characters that we haven't met yet and go on the rides that we didn't get to do when we went earlier on last week. So yeah, so we're going to go to Magic Kingdom for our last full day in Orlando. What am I wearing today? Let me just see if I can get the mirror. The room's a bit of a mess because we have been packing. So basically, I'm wearing this top from ASOS, this polka dot top, and then my ASOS black like culotte shorts, and then old Primark belt. And then I'm just wearing my Converse because they have been so comfy the past few days. So yes, we're going to head over to Magic Kingdom and spend our last day there. And we've just spotted this in the sky.
Right, do you want to take the Epcot turn in?
Yeah.
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 There's the castle. So having a really good day. We've been on quite a few rides, went on Big Thunder Mountain, which had way more drops in it than what I remembered, but I'm glad that I went on it. It was brave. Hen, Tash and Ben went on Splash Mountain, and I'm pretty sure I got them coming down the drops. That was pretty cool, but I didn't go on that because it was too much of a win. So that's the castle. Going to be watching the fireworks later, which I'm looking forward to. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, really nice and hot again. Going to miss this weather when we go back home. morning everyone, it's day 10 in Orlando and today is the day that we fly back home, which we're all really sad about. I woke up this morning with like that horrible like dreading feeling in my tummy like when your holiday is over. So yeah, so basically this morning we're not flying out till 3 o'clock this afternoon, which means that we haven't really got to leave the hotel till about 2 o'clock, which isn't too bad. So we've still got half the day here. So I think what we're doing is we're up nice and early. I am currently in the process of packing all my case, so the room looks a bit like just really messy because we're just kind of packing everything. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to go for breakfast at IHOP because we haven't been for breakfast there yet, and it was one of the things that I wanted to do on like my America things to do list. So we're going to go to IHOP for breakfast, which hopefully should be really good. Hopefully make one last trip to the drugstore and see if there's any bits that I've missed, and then we're going to come back, sit by the pool, check out, do some more sitting by the pool, and then make our way to the airport so I can get a few last rays of sunshine, because no doubt when we get home it will be cold, miserable and grey. So this is my last morning weather update. As you can see, it's looking gorgeous and sunny. And yeah, that's... So it's time for our last trip to the American drugstore. Sad face.
Attempt 3.
Attempt 3 of putting in the petrol.
Does not look happy. It's only the 3rd time Ben's been in. To the petrol station. Same petrol station. Fuck me, that was close.
Who would have thought that putting petrol into a car would be so
confusing?
we've
got it.
Woohoo!
You have to lift the whole thing up.
Okay, so our flight has now been delayed by not 1, not 2, not 3, but 3 hours and 50 minutes. So we are left in the most interesting of airports in America, I'm sure. Fortunately, I have found a smoking area / outdoor area. So this is it. This is the outside of our airport. Okay, so I'm going to take you for a quick tour around the inside. Don't worry, it's not going to be too long because it's the smallest airport in the world. Because
What?
I found an outdoor area.
Have you?
Yep.
Are you joking?
Nope. Sun lounge.
No way, where is it?
Outside.
So we've just found a sun deck and it's taken us how long to find it?
2 hours.
2 hours. But it's not too bad, we've got our own little private sun deck. There's the guys chilling. 10. So just enjoying the sun. When do we board? When do we fly?
Probably about 8:30. Should have been 6 o'clock.
We've got another like hour and a half to go. Oh, that's a little plane.
Probably your sugar, isn't it?
Little plane taking this.
Hey guys, who am I?
Don't know. Who? This is what being delayed for 3.5 hours does to you. Oh. Oh. Yay! Everyone, so we made it back home okay. Sorry we didn't vlog yesterday, we were really groggy and tired after the like 8.5 hour flight, and then obviously the 4 hour delay as well. So we're back home today and we slept absolutely fine last night, but we're very excited as today we're gonna go and pick up Frankie. Yeah. Okay, so we're back home now and we've got Frankie, so we're pretty happy that everything's back to normal. So I think this is where I'm going to leave the vlogs. Hope you've enjoyed watching them, and hopefully we'll do some more in the future if they weren't too boring. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.